Hey yo, it's Chriso. I'm just doing the silicone of this bathroom now. Then I'll fit the vanity. But yeah, it's come out not too bad, pretty good. But yes, I'm not going to be able to silicone that because I've sprayed water there, so I'll have to wait for that to dry. I use the same nozzle a lot. Get it in position and it's good to go. There I don't do DIYs because they need to be able to take out the grate. This silicone today sort of wants to keep oozing out. Bit strange. Look at that. It's oozing out still, but that's all right. Don't get scared, don't get worried. Once you spray it, I've got to keep the spray away because I need to silicone around those frames yet. My trusty bucket to stand on takes up less room than my steps. Bring that a bit closer. There's all sorts of different ways you hold your paddle pop stick. That is the key to good silicone. You can either hold it like that, or like that, or like that. Whatever takes your fancy, or whatever you feel comfortable with. See how I've got a bit in the corner? If I put my paddle pop stick to the side, hope you can see that, and come up, and then I'll go flat there, go into my corner, wipe away. A little bit to clean up there, so I come in flat. Come in with my hand tool, give it a wipe on your shorts. When you get a little bit of foreign matter like that, get it out. A little bit there too. Get that out. As you're doing it, you experiment. Well, you don't sort of experiment, but you suss out the best way to hold your stick that you're most comfortable with. There you go, that trusty hand tool again. Then you end up with a beautiful silicone job. You're always looking for, if there's a little imperfection, you just smooth it out. Sometimes it can be a drop of water and you think it's an imperfection, but it's not, it's just a drop of soapy water. But when you wipe it with your hand tool, it takes all that out. Okay people, I'll come back to you when I'm siliconing that. I want to start on that vanity. I want to get that in here and get that in, and then I can finish off. I can finish off this silicone, but I'm going to be drilling holes, so I don't want to do too much because I don't want my the dust to land in my fresh silicone. Okay, we'll see you soon. Subscribe to my channel, people. Lean on in every time you're watching a video and you will learn heaps. See ya. Bye.